see, that's the ropes actually mount to the side of the car. There's the counterweight. Let's go down. This is a pretty neat view, so let's watch this. Someone's getting on down there. There's the counterweight. There's the motor. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's hurry up and wait for it to get over here. So I don't really know why they have this one, because they have that elevator right there that I just filmed. So I guess they just also added the smaller ones. I'm not 100% sure why, but it's cool, so I'm gonna film it. This thing sounds weird. Up we go. This thing sounds weird. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it goes like... Yeah, this thing sounds weird. There's the other one again.